Hey, so this one just legitimately blew me away in a test, so I figured I'd throw in the camera and walk you through it. So I had heard that Gemini can actually take videos now and use not just the transcript, but can actually watch the video in order to extract information from it. So I ran a quick little test. I did a 1 minute long video that just opened up the side panel in Gmail and walked somebody through the steps on how to create a test task. I'll show you here. How to create a test task, and then how to create a new list, and then add that test task to the list. The interesting thing about that is I did not speak during the process. I know if you've seen my videos before, that's hard to believe, but for a full minute, I didn't say anything. All I did was move the cursor on the screen, recorded what happened, and then I came in and I said, all right, using only what you see I do in the video, I want you to create a detailed checklist and instruction list for how to replicate everything that is in that video. The intent's to create a tutorial. So you come in here, open the test task side panel, add a new task, type your task name, and it used the exact one that I used in the video. And then it identified even that I was in my staging because I've renamed my default starting task list to staging. So I know that it was actually doing this not from going out to the web, but was using just the elements in that video. So test task list. And here's where it got crazier. So now I wanted it to create a instruction set. Right? So I want a simple workflow with these steps that a user could use as a reference chart. And so I uploaded our logo and it created this. And of course, I looked at it and I was like, you took the logo and you changed it. And that's not what we actually want. It's important that our logo get, reflected. But it did keep with the color schemes and stuff like that. So I tried it again. Then I just told it, hey, look, it's critical. You got to include the logo. You can't change it. Also, I need it to be a lot more detailed. And I want it to include screenshots. I didn't actually know whether it would do that. So it was a test. It did it. So here is the final product. We have Eagle County with our logo. We've got the title, and then it took individual screenshots with quick descriptions at the appropriate time in the video. Again, remember, I didn't talk through it. So it extracted that and included the exact screenshots that associate with the steps. This would work on literally anything. And I know personally how much time I've spent teaching others or creating knowledge bases or fact sheets or stuff like that. This one just blew me away. So I hope you find it helpful. Later.